እናቴ ናት መጀመሪያ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ መጥታ ጉዳዩን የተናገረችው እኔ አይደለሁም። አብዛኞቻችሁ እየፈረዳችሁብኝ ነው። እናትሽን ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ አመጣሽ እያላችሁኝ ነው። እኔ ግን አይደለሁም ያመጣኋት። እናቴ ናት ቀድማ የመጣችው።
Oh, Eswa, guys, Eswa Musrat, like Amist fake account, just Sidib Alex Betaseb. It's my mom. She, like, I understand from my mom's side. I understand she's trying to protect me, but she reported him to the embassy, and she made like so much accounts. She sent people to bully me on the internet. She did all of these things, and that's why now I'm on live explaining myself. So, yeah, that's that. So
ሌሎችን የምትመክሪውን ለምን እሷን አትመክሪያትም? ኦኬ ሌሎችን የምመክራቸው ከማያከብራችሁ ከማይወዳችሁ ከእናንተ ገንዘብ ከሚፈልግ ወንድ ጋር አትሆኑ ነው የምለው። ስለዚህ እሷን ልጠይቃት፣ ያከብርሻል ገንዘብ ትሰጪዋለሽ ወይ ብዬ ልጠይቃት። እንደዛ ከሆነ አይሆንሽም ብዬ እነግራታለሁ። ገንዘብ
show us evidence. Guys, I have a cross around my neck. When I tell you guys...
Did you ever give money to Alex? Did you ever give money to Alex? You sent him money?
Well, one time I gifted him, but that was like my decision. But he doesn't have any control of my money. He does not have any control of anything. Like I do all my stuff myself. So, yeah. But...
ገንዘብ ሰጥቼው አላውቅም። ጊፍት ሰጥቼው አውቃለሁ እንጂ ገንዘቤን እኔ ነኝ የሚይዘው። ስለኔ ገንዘብ አይመለከተውም።
Yeah, but anyways, I just want my mom, whatever people don't believe me, they don't, that's not my problem. But like now I just want peace between both of them, and I know like she's posting things and things like that. I just want her to be in peace with him. That's all I want. I'm not asking for anything more. That's all.
ምፈልገው እናቴና አሌክስ ሰላም እንዲሆኑ እንዲታረቁልኝ ብቻ ነው ምፈልገው። እኔ ሌላ ምንም አልፈልግም። እና ይሄንን ተባበሩኝ የኢትዮጵያ ሕዝቦች፣ አሌክስንና እናቴን አስታርቁልኝ። ይሄንን ነው ምፈልገው ነው እያለች ያለችው። all I want is Alex and my mom to be peace, right? That's
all. That's all. That's literally all I want. I don't know, everyone's fighting. I don't like, it's too stressful, seriously.
እሷ በጣም ስትረስፉል ሆኛለሁ። እኔ በጣም እየተጨነኩ ነው። በመሀል ቤት እሷ በጣም እየተጨነቀች ነው። እናቷና ፍቅረኛዋ ሰላም ስላልሆኑ እሷ ሰላም አይደለችም። ኦኬ ሌላው ደግሞ በደፈናው ልጅ ስለሆነች ብቻ የምትፈርዱባትን ነገር ጥሩ አይደለም። መፍረድ በአጠቃላይ ጥሩ አይደለም። አትፍረዱባት። ማናችንም በሷ እድሜ ያልፈናል። ፋየር ኤጅ ነው ያለችው፣ እድሜዋ ነው፣ ፍቅረኛ አላት፣ ሶ ቤተሰብ ነው አለ ኦኬ ኖርማል ነው። ይሄ በሁላችንም ዘንድ የምናልፈው ነገር ነው። ያልፋል፣ ይሄም ጊዜ ያልፋል። ኦኬ ሶ እቺ ልጅ ነገ የሆነ ነገር ብትሆን በስትረስ ጭንቅላቷ ቢታመም የሆነ ነገር ብትሆን እኛው ነን የምናዝነው። ዜጋችን ኢትዮጵያዊ እህታችን ናት፣ ልናዝንላት ይገባል። ሶ አሁን ማድረግ ያለብን አንድና አንድ እናትና ልጅን ማስታረቅ፣ አሌክስና እናትን ማስታረቅ። Only that you want?
Yeah, I mean, like, what else is there to say? Like, literally, yeah, nothing else. Like, I don't know. I feel like there's so much lies. Like, see, again, if I try to say something, everyone's gonna say, no, still, she's your mom. This, like, no matter, even if my mom did wrong things.
One second, what you said? መረጃ እናቷ አርጋለች ሚሉትን ምንድነው? እናቷ አርጋለች ምንም እናቴ ምንም አርጋለች ያለችው ነገር የለም። እናቴ ናት ቀድማ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ የመጣችው። ለዛ ነው መረጃ የምጠይቃት። ለዛ እናትየው ስትመጣ እኔ አይደለሁም ቀድሜ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ የመጣሁት፣ ዴዚ ናት ቀድማ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ወጣችሁ ካለች አዳት ታይም እኔ ዴዚን አይ ኒድ ፕሩፍ ላታለሁኝ። ኦኬ ሶ ይታረቃሉ። ሰይጣን ያፍራል። እነሱ እናትና ልጅ ይታረቁና ሰይጣን ያፍራል። ይታረቃሉ፣ ሁላቸውም ይታረቃሉ፣ ይስማማሉ።
Yeah, and also, Habiba, also, like, people kept saying, like, oh, I called the police on my mom, things like that. Guys, she stole my passport. So as an American, like, Asra Simmons Boala, like, you cannot have your children's, you cannot control them. That's it. Like, there's hulet mindset, habesha mindset, can any gimashnechning. I'm not scared to tell my mom that she's in the wrong. That's the difference with me. I'm not scared. So, the only reason I wanted to get the police
involved. She's the one raised you like this to be strong. That's good. That's why I'm scared to tell your mom she's wrong. It's okay.
Exactly.
Even our moms, they make mistake. They are human.
Yeah, exactly.
They can make mistake. Mom is not God. She's not perfect. She can make mistake, no problem. When my mom, she make mistake, I can tell her, mommy, this is wrong.
Yes. Yeah.
She cannot be perfect only because she's a mother.
Exactly.
And the other thing, when I remember, I will tell you.
Yeah. But, yeah.
Okay, not the other. Yes, don't listen anybody when they told you call police to your mother. That is very bad. Don't listen to them.
Yeah, and also I see comments saying that like I'm in her house. Guys, I left her house. I left her household. I am starting my own life here. She followed me to this state. She came back this time to steal my passport. She is the one following me. I'm not in her care anymore, guys. I'm not. So, me trying to start my own life, she's the one trying to follow me. It's not me. It's not me at all. So, stop saying that, people.
Don't listen negative people, okay? You and your mom gonna be okay. You will be fine. And Alex and your mom also, they will be peace. Don't worry. Don't listen negative people.
I mean, how when
please የሆነ እንግሊዘኛ የሚናገር ሰው ከኋላ ይቀራሉ። አሁን የሚያቦኩ ባንቺና በእናትሽ መሃል ገብተው የሚያቦኩ የሚያባሉ ሁሉ እናንተ ታርቃችሁ እነሱ መሃል ይቀራሉ የሚለው በእንግሊዘኛ ምንድነው? ያውሩ እነሱ። አይኔ እኔ እኮ ቤተሰቦቼ ይዛኔ ተማሪ ተይኝ ሲሉ ክፋት መስሎኝ ያለ መማሪ እኮ ነው።
ሀቡዬ ይቅርታ፣ ከሷ ወገን ወይ ካንቺ ወገን ለምን እንዳታስገቢ? ወይ ከእናቷ ወገን
እንግሊዝኛ 100% ገብቶኛል። የኔን በእንግሊዝኛ ስሜት የሚነግርልኝ አንድ ሰው ፈልጋለሁ።
ከእናቷ ወገን እኔ የእናቷ ወገን ነኝ። እኔ ላስተርጉም የሚል ይግባ። በቃ የእናቷ ወገን
ምንድነው? ወገን ማንም ሰው ምንድነው? ወገን ምንድነው? አልገባኝም። ወገን ብሄር ምናምን ልትሉ እንዳይሆን ወገን ምናምን ልትሉ
ሳይሆን እናቷ የሚደግፉ ምናምን አሉ አይደለም? የእሷ ይግቡና ያስተርጉሙ።
ማንም ሰው ይምጣና ይተርጉም። ልጄማ ተኝቷል እንጂ ተረጉምልኝ ነበር። ነገ ጠዋት ትምህርት ስላለው ተኝቷል። በዚህ እኮ ሰዓት ሄዷል። አሁን 9 ሰዓት ተኩል እኮ ነው ጋይስ። እስቲ እኔ እንግሊዘኛ ተረጉማለሁ። ይሄ በተለይ አሁን ያልኩትን ቃል ባንቺና በእናትሽ መሀል ገብተው የሚያቦኩ ሰዎች በኋላ እናንተ ታርቃችሁ እነሱ መሀል ይቀራሉ ሚልልኝ። ተማለች እኮ አማርኛ እንዲህ ከበባዱን አትሰማም ወይ? ቀስ እያልኩ ቃላት እየቆራረጥኩ ልንገራት። I can't do that. እስቲ ማን ነው ሚ? እሺ ጊዜኛ የሚያርፍ የለም። ይሄ ፍላወር የሚልከው ሰው ይሆን?
ሴት ነኝ ባይ ዘ ወይ ይባላለሁ።
የወንድ ፕሮፋይል ስለሆነ ነው። ሶሪ።
ኧረ ወንድ አይደለም ሴት ነው። እሱ ስለለበስኩ ችግር የለም።
ወይኔ ይቅርታ፣ ሶሪ። እሺ
ችግር የለም። እኔ መሀላችሁ እንግሊዘኛውን ትንሽ ሞክራለሁ።
እኔ እኮ ሀቢባ ሴት ልጅ አለሽ ተይ ብለሽ ምከሪያት ማለት እኔ እንደዚህ አይነት አባገነን አይደለሁም። ሴት ልጄ ኑኑ ነገ አድጋ ፍቅረኛ ስትይዝ ኦኬ አይ ሪስፔክት አረግላታለሁ ፍቅረኛዋን። ሰው ብቻ ይሁን ሰው እስከሆነ ድረስ አከብርላታለሁ፣ ምርጫዋን አከብርላታለሁ። የሴት ልጄ አምባገነን አይደለሁም። ታቆኛላችሁ በደንብ አድርጌ እና ተይ ለምን እላታለሁ ከመሬት ተነስቼ። ከምን አንጻር ተይ ልበላት? ከምን አንጻር? ከምን ገንዘቧን ነው የሚፈልገው ካላችሁ እሺ ገንዘብ ትሰጪዋለሽ ወይ ብዬ ጠየቅኳት። ገንዘብ ትሰጪዋለሽ ወይ ብዬ ጠየቅኳት አይደል? አልሰጠሁምትም ገንዘብ አለች።
አይ ችግር የለውም እንፈታዋለን። ትርጓሜን እኔ ተረጉምልሻለሁ። እንዳያስወጡኝ ሞዴሬተር ወይ ስጭኝ ወይ ምናምን ነገር አንቺ አውሪ እናንተ አውሩ። እኔ ኒውትራል በሆነ ነገር ተረጉምልሻለሁ። ችግር የለውም።
እሺ እንደዚህ በይልኝ የማንንም ኔጌቲቭ እናትሽ ላይ ፖሊስ ጥሪ እናትሽን እንዲያርጊ እያሉ የሚመክሩሽን ኔጌቲቭ ሰዎች አትስሚ። አንቺና እናትሽ ታርቃችሁ ነገ እነሱ መሀል ይቀራሉ። እናትሽ ናት፣ አትቆራረጡም በይልኝ።
Okay, Daisy, Habiba say that don't listen to anybody who tells you call police on your mom, do this, do that. Everybody will be behind you and your mom. Always gonna be together. So please do not. Else she's. And I want to add too. It's like I know you're American, but it's not Ethiopian culture too. So
I'm not.
Yeah, I understand. I understand, but basically what she's saying is try to solve the problem without involving a police. Because once you involve a police, you know, it's not good for your mom to...
You need passport. I mean, what do I do? What am I supposed to do with this?
If your passport left, you don't have the passport, you can go to... You can apply.
Oh, I'm doing that.
Yeah, even
no,
like...
but at the end of the day,
I know, but fine with your mom, right? You want to be...
I want to say one thing. I never called the police on my mom. That's I was going to, but I did not. Out of respect for her, I did not. I swear to God, I did not. So everybody can stop saying that I called the police on her. Yes, I was live. I said, "Oh, I'm gonna call the police," but that was just my feelings and my reaction. But at the end of the day, I did not call them.
That's
so
good.
that's it.
Good girl. ይሄንን ባለማድረግሽ ነገ ብታደርጊው ኖሮ በንዴት ሰዓት ብታደርጊው ኖሮ ትጸጸቺ ነበር በይልኝ።
Okay, Habiba said that if you had called the police on your mom, regardless of how upset you were, that you would have regretted as you get older, because like, you know, we all are on your age. I'm older than you for sure, but she said that calling a police, now you emotionally call the police, they're gonna put a record on her you know, her social security number. So that would be very bad for your mom. She might not even get a retirement, you know?
Yeah, that's why I didn't call them.
So Habiba say, thank you so much for doing that.
Yeah.
ስለዚህ አሁን እንዲህ በይልኝ ሌላ የምትፈልጊው ከእናትሽ ጋር ከመታረቅና እናትሽንና አሌክስን ከማስታረቅ ውጪ የምትፈልጊው ነገር አለ ወይ? እንድንሰማሽ የምትፈልጊው ነገር አለ ወይ?
All right, so Daisy, Habiba say that is there anything else that you need to let the Ethiopia people, the Habesha people, the Eritrea people that support you, you know, that really push for you, that it's not only Ethiopian, all Habesha, I see you sometimes, we all were very disturbed by your situation. She's saying that, is there anything else besides having a peace with your mom and Alex and your mom? Is there anything else you want to let us know? Especially Habiba, she really want to help you, so just let her know.
Yeah, so like also I want people to know, like, I didn't leave just because of a guy. I did not leave just because of a guy. Like, at the end of the day, unless anybody has lived in a toxic household, physical and mental abuse, like, I don't want to hear anyone's opinion about why I left, because if you guys were never in a toxic household, like, you guys would never understand why someone would leave. Like, why did I wait 20 years? Okay, like, some people don't leave until they're ready, by the way. Like, it was not just because of a guy. I left because I was mentally disturbed by everything going on. And that's my right as a 20-year-old. I can move out. I can start my own life. I can start working. I can do all of that if I want to. So that's that. And as of my mom coming on social media, my mom came on social media first. It was not me. She made fake accounts. She's sending people to bully me. She's telling people I take medication. She's telling people I send like balagay photos. She is saying all of this stuff about me, so I'm doing nothing but trying to explain myself. That's all.
Okay. Let me translate this, and then you will add more. Okay, so that way you know they have a clear understanding. She's saying that Habiba, የምትለው ምንድን ነው?
እኔ ስሜቴን መግለጽ ማድረሱ ነው እንጂ የከበደኝ እሷ ሙሉ የተናገረችው ገብቶኛል።
አሁን ምን ታደርጊያለሽ መሰለሽ? አንቺ ከገባሽ እያስተረጎምሽ እኔ ጥያቄ ብቻ ነው የምጠይቀው፣ መሀላችሁ አልገባም። ጥሩ
እኮ ይኸውላችሁ እኔ ቤት የለቀኩበት ምክንያት ምንም በቃ ምንም ሆነ አይደለም ለቦይ ፍሬንድ ብላ አይደለም ለራሷ ሰላም ፈልጋ ትልቅ ስለሆነች ስራ ወጥ ከቤት ወጥታ የመኖር የመስራት መብት ስላላት 21 ዓመቷ ነው ትልቅ ናት ለዛ ከቤት ወጥቼ መኖር ስለምፈልግ እንጂ ለቦይ ፍሬንድ ብዬ አይደለም ከቤት የወጣሁት ደግሞ መብትም አላት ማንምም ከእናቷ ውጪ ለምን ትወጫለሽ ብሎ መጠየቅ መብት የለውም መብት አላት 20 ዓመቷ ነው ከቤት ወጥታ ተከራይታ እየሰራች የመኖር መብት አላት አንድ ሰው አሜሪካ ነገር 18 ዓመት ከሞላው በኋላ ከቤት ወጥቶ የመስራት መብት አለው እቺ ልጅ የወጣሁት ለቦይ ፍሬንድ ብዬ አይደለም ራሴ ፈልጌ ነው ራሴን መቻል ፈልጌ ነው የወጣሁትኝ አለች እና ቀድማም ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ የመጣችው እናቴ ናት እኔ አይደለሁም ቀድማ ሶሻል ሚዲያ ወጥታ የተናገረችው እናቴ ናት ስለዚህ በቃ ይሄን ያለው ነገር ሌላ ምንም ስለ እናቷ የተናገረችው መጥፎ ነገር የለም እናቴ እንዲያረገችኝ አላለችም ጀስት 20 ዓመቴ ነው ትልቅ ነኝ ወጥቼ መኖር እችላለሁ ይሄ ደግሞ መብቷ ነው ዓለም ያወቀው መብቷ ነው ሁለተኛ ልጁ አይወድሽም በያት ልጁን ታይ በያት የምትሉኝ ኮመንት ላይ እኔ ፈጣሪ ነኝ ወይ ልጁ ይወዳታል አይወዳትም እንዴት ማወቅ እችላለሁ ይሄን ማወቅ የሚችለው እኮ አንድ አምላክ ብቻ ነው እኛ ካልኖርን እንዴት ነው አንድ ሰው ካልሞከረ እንዴት ነው የሚያውቀው ቆይ እቺ ልጅ ልጁ እንደማይወዳት ንገሪያት ስትሉኝ ከምን አንፃር ልንገራት አይወድሽም ብዬ እንዴት ልበላት በምን አይቼ በህልሜ አይቻለሁ እኔ መልአክ ነኝ ራእይ አይቻለሁ ህልም አይቻለሁ ስለዚህ አይወድሽም ነው ምላት እንዴት ነው አይወድሽም ይቅርብሽ ምላት ማንነኝ እኔ በሷ ህይወት ገብቼ ይሄ አይሆነሽም ታይ ምላት ማንንም እኮ በማንንም ህይወት ማዘዝ እኮ አይችልም ፈረንጅ ነኝ አለቻችሁ እኮ ነጭ ነኝ እኔ እኛ ሀበሻነታችን ይዞን በሰው ህይወት በጣም ጣልቃ ስለምንገባ እኮ ነው ሁላችንም አይሆንሽም በሏት ኖ በያት ሀቢባ አይሆንሽም በያት
Yeah, and also like I feel like my mom coming on social media like she made Alex look like such a terrible person and I have reasoning for the way I left the household but I feel like my mom she based like Meto percent she said okay Alex no this Idolin guys my mom like when I was doing social media in Ethiopia there would be so many times that I cried to her and I tell her like okay I'm mentally tired from all of these things she ignored that and she told me no you know Sarah no do this so I did not leave for a guy Alex is not a bad person people were saying like oh he wants to go to America he's using you this first of all I want people to stop bringing up the past like okay he's said some things on social media I have too like I've told people that I didn't like him before stuff like that and by the way guys Alex does not want to come to America he wants to stay in Switzerland by the way America is not the perfect country it's not every country has its struggles America what does America have they go to work people work 3 jobs people struggle here America is not like a dream place actually in my opinion Switzerland is better than America so I want everyone to stop telling me like oh Alex he's doing this for you he's pretending for you this what do you guys know about him at the end of the day what nothing you guys know nothing you guys know at the end of the day you guys know nothing about how I was treated in my household you know nothing about how my mom is yes and that's again like Habiba said we should judge only God is gonna judge that's all just because someone is your mom just because someone is your dad just because someone's your brother does not mean okay their mind is perfect and they know what's best for you God knows what's best so please stop
okay Habiba ሰጥሻት አይደል
ያ አሁን ትንሽ ከበድ ያለ ነው አንቺ ተርጉሚ
ኦኬ ኮሜንት ላይ also ሚሲ ምን ማለት ነው ቶክሲክ ሪሌሽንሺፕ ማለት ምናምን እያሉ ነው በጣም ብዙ ኮሜንት አለ let me see if I can get back to it toxic what did you say Daisy toxic and
toxic household
okay toxic household basically means like in America people like ቤተሰብሽ አይመቱሽ ምናምን ግን verbally ማለት በአፋቸው ዲሞራላይዝ ያደርጉሻል መጥፎ ነገር ይናገሩሻል እና አሜሪካን ሀገር ልጆች ሲያድጉ ብዙ ጊዜ ከውጭ ልጆች ከሌሎች ጋር ኮምፔር ስለሚያደርጉ ራሳቸውና ኤንቫይሮንመንቱ የተለየ ስለሆነ ከኢትዮጵያ አንቺ ላይክ እንደ ኢትዮጵያ ላሳድጋት ካልሽ ልጅን ላይክ it's gonna be hard ገባሽ እና ቶክሲክ ማለት verbally abuse የሚደረጉ ልጆች እንዴት ነው አንቺ በሞራል ወይ
በንግግር ብቻ በርባሊ በንግግር ብቻ ሞራላቸው የሚነካ
like in the domestic abuse, you know, domestic abuse like ወንድ ልጅ ሴትን ወይም ሴት ልጅ ወንድ ልጅን አብሮ ሲኖሩ abuse እንደሚደራረጉት, it's the same thing with children. There is that kind of situation. I don't know if that is applied here. እሷ ላይ apply ይሁን አይሁን አናውቀውም። በዚህ ያው ልጅ ስለሆነች ተናዳ ምናምን ሊሆን ይችላል። እናቷን ያው ማክበር አለባት ግን እንደዛ ነው ትርጓሜው። በቃ እንደ ዶሜስቲክ አቢዩዝ ላይክ ዩ ኖ ሪሌሽንሺፕ ባልና ሚስት ሲጣሉ አይነት አይደለም። አይመታትም ወይም አትመታውም፣ ግን ይጫጫሃሉ፣ ይሰዳደባሉ፣ እርስ በርሳቸውን ወደ ታች ያወርዳሉ። ያ ኢፌክት አለው ሰው የሚናገርሽ ነገር አይደል? ያ ነው አቢዩዝ ማለት right? Daisy?
Yes, and by the way, I feel like again, I feel like most Habeshas, they're not understanding me because trauma is so normalized in this culture. I feel like not all Habeshas, obviously, because we all have our own opinions, but I feel like most people are disagreeing with me because trauma is so normalized in Ethiopia, by the way. And I'm not afraid to tell people that. I'm not afraid to tell people my traumas. I don't care. Whether like 100% of people want to judge me, oh, she's still your mother at the end of the day. Guys, like, I'm not afraid to step up. I'm not. If my mom mentally made me feel some type of way, I'm gonna tell people. I don't care. I don't care. And that's. Of course, she gave birth to me, but stop normalizing trauma, guys. Stop. Like, you guys, also for parents, like, you guys need to listen to your children sometimes because this is why so much Ethiopian children suffer mentally. Because we never feel like we can speak for ourselves. That's so crazy. But anyways, any gemash nachning, so I'm not afraid to, you know, I did not grow up with the culture, so that's why I feel so.
Can I make a suggestion, Daisy?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so basically right now there's a huge situation with you and your mom, right?
Yeah.
In my understanding, if I were you, if I were in your position, because I grew up here too in America, that I would first solve my problem with my mom before even having a relationship with Alex or even try to have...
She did not, that's the thing, she did not want to solve it. So, what is there to, what do I do?
No problem.
Habiba.
We will help you to solve it. She don't want to solve it.
That's why. Yes, Habiba would be a big player on this. She have to solve the problem with you and your mom situation. Otherwise, in the future, it will haunt you. Because me, like, I will tell you so you can understand. I was not born here, but I grew up in the U.S. And if not 100%, I passed through a situation where I was not with my family and everything. It has a big impact in the future for you.
Yeah.
So, for that, I want you to avoid that. Actually, lazam no nega about so wait I'll go up. In order for you to avoid that problem that you will have in the future, it might be trusting people, it might be like stress, it might be depression. A lot of things can create on you. In order for you to avoid that, you have to have 100% peace with your mom. Then
yes, that's what I want, but how do I do that when she comes on social media and tells all these people some agenda that, like, what am I supposed to do now? What I want her to make peace with everyone. Like, she's still posting things on social media. She came to social media first. I wanted to solve it in private. I wanted to, like, I'm not the type of person to put my family problems on social media. My mom came to social media first. That's what everybody doesn't understand.
Now they all understand that your mom should come to social media first. So no one gonna say to you again, you bring your mom to social media anymore. Because now they understand already, okay? Don't worry.
Now, I want them to make peace, but that's up to my mom. Now it's up to my mom. If I still respect her, but now, like, it's either she makes peace or she just continues to make problems. It's her decision at the end of the day.
So, just quick question. So you still have, I mean, the Ethiopia people also, I think they might have a question. Are you still in this situation, in this circumstance, how everything's right now as we see it? Because we care about you, we see you grow. We want to know, are you guys still in a relationship with Alex?
That is too personal.
Huh?
Again, this is like this is this
here
this
not
how
to talk about Alex. She's here to fix her mom problem with her mom and with Alex with her mom, not to talk about her relationship. Her relationship is personal. We don't want to
Okay, sorry. Okay, I didn't know. Okay, go ahead, Habiba.
አቡዬ ይቅርታ አሌክስ አንዴ ልግባና ይቅርታ ልበል። ከዛ ደግሞ እናቷ ከመጣች ደግሞ ተደፍቼ ይቅርታም እላለሁ። አሁን ግን የምናገረው ለህዝቡ አለኝ ያለች ነው።
ኦኬ እሺ ዲጄ ቴንክ ዩ
ፍላወር ላክ አሌክስ
ቴንክ ዩ
Okay, no problem, guys. Take care.
Okay, bye. Thank you so much.
Alex, I see comments saying Alex disrespected your mom. Like the guys.
For that,
Again,
we will apologize to your mom.
Yeah, but also she should. Yeah. It's okay.
ፍላወር ላክ አሌክስ ከመጣ
እዚህ ያላችሁ ሁላችሁ ኮፕሊንግ አድርጉላት ለሀቡ። ፎሎ ያላረጋችሁት ደግሞ ፎሎ አድርጓት። ሁላችሁ ኮፕሊንግ እና ፎሎ ታፕ ታፕ